What is going on, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. It is still called Cryptic Drive at the moment. I'm not sure when that's going to change. I can't really think of a good name. I'm really sorry. But anyways, today I just wanted to upload a video talking about a project that I am particularly bullish on, that being Verasity, ticker VRA. As you can see, I'm already at the website, verasity.io. Now, this is not a sponsored video. I do hold VRA. It did really well last cycle. I think it could do well again this cycle, and I just want to talk about it. Now, I love my SHIB ecosystem and SHIB adjacent projects. I think a lot of my videos are probably going to be SHIB related, but I like crypto in general, so I just want to make crypto content. So before we get into it, I'm just going to give you the usual disclaimer here, the stereotypical disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. I am just talking about a project that I really like and am invested into. And if you decide you want to invest in it as well, then Lord bless you. Okay, let's get into it. So Verasity, like what is Verasity? If you haven't heard of it before, it is a blockchain-based platform focused on revolutionizing video advertising, esports, and content monetization. It aims to solve issues related to advertising fraud, transparency, and inefficient revenue distribution in the online video industry. So what makes it really special is it has patented technology. They call it proof of view technology that helps combat ad fraud. So um, traditional digital ads can suffer from bots inflating view counts, and it costs advertisers billions and billions of dollars. And proof of view ensures that only real human views are counted and rewarded. So Veraviews, if you were to go to their X page, I got it pulled up right here. You see like Veraviews right here. They talk about Veraviews a lot. Veraviews is like their it's like an ad stack. It integrates proof of views to help advertisers and publishers run fraud-free video ad campaigns. And I mean, something like this is attractive to brands and content platforms that are looking to improve their return on investment. So, I mean, if we go click Veraviews here, it says right on their website, by 2028, advertisers' total loss to ad fraud could skyrocket to $172 billion. And I actually went and did a quick web search here. So according to Microsoft Bing, in 2024, there's already $140 billion in ad fraud. And when I was looking into this personally, I actually found out that rival companies will actually pay for bots to go out and look at their competitors' ads. So like it's like a thing, like they'll pay for bots to kind of draw on each other's ads, costing their competitors money. It's an actual thing that happens, and I actually don't have that page up, but you'll just have to trust me on it. Another thing that Veracity is doing is that they're into gaming, so they have their own esports platform. This pretty much users can watch tournaments and earn VRA tokens and participate in blockchain-based gaming competitions. I'm not really into Web3 gaming, but this looks pretty cool. I really like this. A lot of people are really bullish on Web3 gaming. Again, I'm not a gamer, so for me, it's just eh. But as an investor, this is something that I like seeing. So, and like any other asset, like yeah, you can stake it. Veracity, they actually have their own wallet. Oh, do I have it? Do I see it here? I go to Vera Wallet. Yeah, so they have their own wallet. It helps you, manage your VRA tokens. I imagine it's probably integrated a lot with their gaming. So like when you earn rewards, you can go right to your Vera wallet. Um, yeah, Veracity is pretty cool, and they've gotten a lot of like real world partnership and adoption. So this one pinned in their X account happened just recently. So CoinPost, Japan's largest crypto news publisher, are adopting Veraviews to power its advertising and video content infrastructure. So that's pretty cool. I have a article pulled up here. Verasity partners with Creo Engine to bring video functionality to Creo Play and explore in-game watch and earn rewards. So I mean, this is something that's pretty cool. Verasity on their website, they have a whole like news thing dedicated to news articles. When Veracity's in the news, they post them on there, so that's pretty cool. I like seeing this stuff. Veracity's got a pretty hoppin' X account here. I know if you search VRA, just ticker VRA, you see a lot of there's a lot of chatter about Verasity. Like this guy here just posting this chart to remind me in a few months' time how crazy this opportunity was, and that's not even the all-time high. The all-time high was like actually, yeah, I think it was 0.08. I misread that. Yeah, so there could be some crazy gains on this asset. And I say could. I'm not saying there will. I'm just saying there could be. Just the technology and the integration, the real world use. I mean, I really like it. So this is the Verasity chart right here. As you can see right now, it's 0.002. Well under a penny for one VRA token, and the all-time high being like 8 cents. So like if we go to the crypto profit calculator on CoinStats, so we say you invest $500 into Verasity and you sell, if it reaches the next all-time high, I mean that's a profit of like $16,000. I also found this in my research too. So this is from Binance Square. 10 coins under $1 that could 1,000x in 2025. And Verasity, VRA, it's right there. Now VRA is not listed on Binance, but could you imagine what could happen if VRA got listed on Binance? Man, you could have some Roaring Kitty type gains. And for those of you that don't know what Roaring Kitty is, you can check my previous videos. My very first video was a case for Roar. I'm super bullish on Roaring Kitty. Roaring Kitty CTO on Ethereum. Contact address ending in 790F, I believe. But anyways, sorry for that shameless Roar plug. But yeah, Verasity. Really, really cool project. Awesome real world technology. And it's been around for a couple years now, like it was around in the last bull run. There's other content out there about this. This could be really big. I'm saying it could be really big. So, anyways, that's about all I got for you. I just wanted to bring Verasity to the main view of my YouTube channel because I really, really like this asset. A lot of real world partners, a lot of, like I said, great technology, patented technology. It solves a real world problem in advertising fraud. And as far as what the company is doing to improve like gaming and esports, combining blockchain and AI-driven ad fraud detection in their VeriView proof of view technology. They also do stuff with NFTs, but I haven't really seen. I don't know. I actually didn't really look into NFTs. I'm not an NFT guy. When people say they have NFTs, it's like, meh. Only NFTs I really care about are the Roaring Kitty NFTs. But that's another topic for another video. So Verasity. Yeah, guys, check it out. This could be, we'll go back to the chart here. This could be huge. Like if it could get back to its all-time high, that is one heck. I mean, that's 1 0 dropped. Like could be even 2 zeros dropped if it gets to 10. If it passes its all-time high, it's going to 10 cents. We'll just do this real quick. Like what if Verasity goes to 15 cents? What do you got? $30,000. $30,000 if it goes to 15 cents, which typically, when assets pass their all-time highs and go into price discovery, they go pretty high. They typically run, especially if they're getting exchange listings and they're doing more volume, they typically run up really high. I've seen it time and time again. So 15 might even be conservative. 25 cents, you're looking at like 50 grand. So yeah, Verasity, and you can get it. Yeah, KuCoin, OKX. It's actually not on Crypto.com. I think that needs to be updated. I think it got delisted from Crypto.com. But yeah, one last thing. Yeah, right here, the community. So X, Telegram, Discord, whatever that is. Is that Reddit? I don't even know. It looks familiar. I should know what it is. CoinMarketCap. As you can see, bustling community, bustling X account. I feel like I totally botched the end of this video, but that's okay. I'm probably going to upload it anyways. So until next time, guys, I will see you later.